All right. Hello, everybody. It's award season. Let's get into it. So, Team X, arguably the best team. It's hard to get the data behind that. But what is not hard to do is nominate these four for exceptional performances over the first part of Try 2. So, you guys have been crushing it. A lot of students have been crushing it, and I just want to recognize a couple of them really quickly and then announce a winner. Grace Hatch is actually in my intermediate class. She's a sophomore in an 11th and 12th grade level class, and she is crushing it and literally is doing my class with one hand behind her back. She hurt herself, her wrist, I believe, and is crushing it. Reed, wonderful energy around the classroom, always positive and always willing to take the road that will teach him the most and not the road that is the easiest. Aaliyah, exceptional coder. Absolutely excited to see what she does throughout the rest of the season, throughout the rest of the try. And Allison, super funny, always very positive, and never ever shies away from my tough questions. All things that I love to see in learners. Our winner this week is Mr. Reed Mingle. Congrats, Reed. You did awesome. Your efforts are very much noticed by the faculty, my peers, and I'm sure as well as your peers. So continue to be a great example to everybody else in Team X, and including these other nominees. You guys have been crushing it. Digital learning space is slowly starting to be a little bit smoother, and you guys are 100% the reason why that is. So positive attitudes and a constant drive to never give up are things I'm seeing across the board from everybody, and I couldn't be more proud. So congrats, Reed, and everybody else that I nominated today.